You ever start talking, and mid-sentence, they check their phone, look past you, nod like a robot? Feels humiliating, right? Here's the truth most won't tell you. People don't tune you out because you're boring. They tune out because you're breaking invisible rules of real conversation and don't even know it. But once you fix them, people won't just listen to you, they'll lean in. Let's break it down. Part 1. The silent attention killer. Most people talk like they're live streaming, ranting, flexing, oversharing, no filter, no feedback, no pause. Conversations aren't TED Talks. They're ping pong, a rhythm, a game of give and take. Want to instantly 5 times your charisma? Flip the spotlight. Say less about you, say more about them. Ask better questions. What was that like for you? Wait, how did you handle that? Whoa, what happened next? Then shut up. Let the silence breathe. Real world fix. Instead of, I failed that test too. Try. That sounds rough. What did you do after that? It's subtle, but it hits different. Because now, you're connecting, not competing. Part 2. Your delivery is flatlining. Here's a harsh truth. It's not what you say, it's how you drop it. You could describe skydiving and still bore people if your tone's dry, or talk about your sandwich and sound captivating. Here's the fix. Speed up when hyped. Pause to let words hit. Drop your voice when it matters. Hold eye contact like you mean it. Fix it. Example. Boring. So yeah, we went out and it was fun, I guess. Magnetic. And then, boom, the lights go out. Pitch black. Everyone just froze. Great speakers aren't loud, they're intentional. Practice like it's a skill. Because it is. Part 3. You're stealing the spotlight. You ever say something vulnerable, and the other person hijacks it with their own story? That's not empathy, it's ego in disguise. And it ruins trust, fast. Try this instead. Let them speak. Don't cut in. Ask a second question. Hold the moment. Example. Them. I've been feeling anxious lately. Wrong. Same, it's been crazy for me too. Right. Really? What's been triggering it the most? Respect the pause. Let them breathe. They'll respect you for it. Still here? Good. Most people clicked off by now. That already makes you rare. But keep watching, and you'll be the person they remember after every conversation. Part 4. You're there, but not really. You know what's louder than words? Presence. And you can't fake it. If your phone's in your hand, if your eyes dart around, if your brain is thinking of a reply, they feel it. Want to be unforgettable? Be fully there. How to be present. Put your phone face down. Lock in with eye contact. Nod. Mirror their energy. Breathe between their words. Example. They open up. You don't interrupt. You say, thanks for telling me that. That's it. No speech, no advice, just space, respect, and trust. Part 5. Speak less. Mean more. Confidence isn't in volume. It's in clarity. Quiet power. Loud noise. Here's how to drop words that hit. Cut the I think, maybe, and kinda. Use simple, sharp sentences. Let silence build tension. Drop short stories, not long lectures. Example, instead of, I was wondering, maybe we could, go there someday? Say, let's go this weekend. I'm in. Sounds clean. Feels strong. If people don't listen to you, it's not your voice, not your looks, not your personality. It's the way you're showing up in conversations. But here's the flip side. The moment you stop performing and start connecting, you become unforgettable.